Do you have Wi-Fi and a lot of passion? Then you have to listen up, because your Wi-Fi is more valuable than your CV. It can just literally change your life in months. You might want to save this video for later, because this is a video that brings hope if you feel there's none left. My name is Lynne. I'm a Gen Xer. Last year I found myself in a precarious situation financially, and I did not know how I was going to survive, but I had Wi-Fi. Then I discovered an online opportunity that completely changed my life in a few short months. Not years, months. So, if this is you, your September is stretching out in front of you and you do not know how you're going to survive the month. It's almost payday, but that does not bring you any happiness, because your debt is just too much to manage. But you have Wi-Fi. Why not use it to change your life? Guys, opportunity is not going to come to you. You have to look for it, see what it's worth, and grab it with both hands. And that's exactly what I did. The digital industry is just booming, and I am earning in dollars daily through an e-learning program that is beginner friendly. And since I'm Gen Xer, I have no tech knowledge. But don't worry, you're covered. You get beginner friendly training and you become part of a fantastic online community. And today, I'm financially free. It's awesome, it's life-changing, and you owe it to yourself to take your power back. And your family deserve the best of you. Build their legacy. Build your legacy with your Wi-Fi. I would love to share this opportunity with you. And there's plenty of time. There's still 4 months to December. You can be in a great position by then. I'll show you how. Lynne, the money making matriarch.